Hey, hello everyone. Hope you are good and enjoying the coding. In this session, we will learn about the control structure. Python support a variety of control structure, including conditional statement and looping structure. So, conditional statement, it means if we have to take any decision, like based on a particular condition, if we have to execute any certain block, then we can use a conditional statement. Conditional statements like if, else, and else if are used for a decision making, while for and for loop are used for iteration and repetition. So understanding this control structure is very important for managing the flow of your program. So let's understand this in detail. So if statement. The if block of code will be executed when the condition is satisfied. Its syntax is if and then condition. As you know, condition always return either true or false value. If the condition is satisfied, that means condition returns the true, then these statements will be executed, and these statements are available into this particular block. Okay, and in Python, block can be decided by based on this colon and based on the indentation. So let's understand this in Visual Studio. So let me create one program. In this program, I'm taking an input from the user. So as you know, input function is used to take an input from user. So here, when we provide any input from a console, then this input always in a string format. So I want to convert this input into an integer because temperature is integer. Let me print this temperature. Okay, and execute this code. This is a very simple code. Here we have taken the input from user, converted it into int, and then printed that temperature. What is today's temperature? This is a question. We have provided 38 as an input, and today's temperature is 38. I hope this is clear to you. So now, instead of just printing a today's temperature is 37, I want to check this temperature is a cold or hot. Okay, then I need to use a if block. Okay, then its syntax is if and then condition. Condition is temperature is greater than 37. As you know, 37 is a average temperature, right? If its temperature is greater than 37, then we will print that it's hot. Okay, it's hot. So here I have used colon, and after that here I have used indentation. So it means if I use any indentation after this colon, then this will be considered as a particular block, and whatever statement we will write in this block will be executed. Okay, and once this block is completed, then we again back to the original indentation and will print what statement we want to execute after this if block. So I will say that program is completed. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Let me run this program first and understand. So what is today's input? Today's temperature is 36. So program will print today's temperature is 36 and program is completed. It will not print this statement because this condition has written a false value. This condition is not satisfied. So let's provide another input. So what is today's temperature is 38. So it has printed it's hot. Now this condition is satisfied. That's why this block is executed. In this way we can use a if statement. Okay, so let's learn about the next statement, that is if and else statement. If condition, then this block, else, again colon, and this block will be executed. So here if the temperature is greater than 37, then it's hot. Otherwise we can say that else it's average temperature, right? It's average temperature. So let me run this. What is today's temperature? 38. It's hot. Let's run for next input, 36. It's average temperature. You can say that. So in this way we can use a if and else block. So if condition, then this block will be executed. Here I have given a proper indentation. So here I have used 4 spaces as a indentation. So for each block, when the block will start, I will use same indentation. Else, again new else block is started, then again I have used 4 spaces. This is a indentation, and I have printed its average temperature in else block. Okay, so let's understand next statement. Next statement is if we have a multiple if statements one by one. Okay, we can write any number of else if. In Python, instead of writing else if, we will write a elif. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, then this block will be executed. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will check a next condition. If this condition is satisfied, then this block will be executed. If this is not satisfied, then it will check else block or next condition. In this way, it will execute it. Okay, so let's understand this example. I want to print if the temperature is greater than 37, then it's hot. If temperature is 37, then it's average temperature, and if temperature is less than 37, then it's cold. Okay, so what I will do, I will add here one condition by using elif. Elif temperature is double equal to 37. Okay, then it's average temperature, right? Then it's average temperature, else it's cold. Okay, so simple program. Temperature is greater than 37, this block will be executed. If temperature is double equal to 37, this block will be executed. If both conditions are false, then this block will be executed. Let's run this code. Today's temperature is 38, it's hot. Today's temperature 37, it's average temperature. Today's temperature 36, it's cold. I hope this is clear to you. In this way, we can use if and multiple else if. Okay, so let's understand next block. So nested if we use the if inside a if, this is called as nested if. If this condition is satisfied, then we will print these statements and again we will use a new condition. If this is satisfied, then this will be executed. Again we will apply. In this way, we can use many if and else inside a if condition. This is called as a nested if. Let's understand this in detail. Okay, so if the temperature is greater than 37, then it's hot. Now I want to check if the temperature is greater than 15, then it's too hot. Then it's too hot. It's too hot. Otherwise, we can say that it's hot, right? Else, I will say that it's hot. If temperature is greater than 37, it will come inside this block, and here we have used if and else. If temperature is greater than 15, then it's 50, then it's too hot. Otherwise, it's hot. In this way, we can use if inside a if. Okay, if you want to use a if and else block inside this else, you can use. So if temperature is 37, then it's average, right? Check here, if temperature is less than 30, okay, then it's too cold. It's extreme cold. Okay, else it's cool. Instead of cold, I will say that it's cool. Okay, so in this way we can use if inside a if, we can use if inside a else block. Let's run this and see the input one by one. Input and output one by one. What is today's temperature? Today's temperature is 51. It's too hot. Okay, let's run new. So what is today's temperature? 38. It's hot. Previously it was too hot. So let's see this. 51. It's too hot. For 38, it's hot. Okay, let's run for 37. It's average temperature. Okay, let's run for code. 36. It's cool. and 25 it's extreme cold. In this way we can use a if and multiple if inside a if. Okay, this is called as a nested if. I hope this is clear to you. Now next, if with logical and or not. Okay, logical and. Nested if can be avoided by using a logical operator. So instead of using if condition 1, condition 2, what we will do, condition 1 and condition 2, we can combine this together, or condition 1, condition 2 and condition 3 we can combine together by using a AND operator. Okay, let's understand this in detail. Okay, let me remove this and check if temperature is less than -10. Okay, then I will print it's extreme cold. Okay, now here I will specify a range by using an AND operator. If temperature is greater than -10 and temperature is less than 10, so it means if temperature is go between 10 and -10, okay, then we call it as a cold. It's cold. Okay, elif temperature is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, greater than or equal to 10 and temperature is less than 37, then we call it as a cool temperature. It's cool temperature. In this way we can use a AND. So AND is used and it will execute it like if this condition is true and this is true, then and then only this block will be executed. If this condition is true and this condition is also true, then it will print that it's a cool. Okay, else it's too hot. Okay, for 37 I have considered it's a hot. Okay, so let's run this code. What is today's temperature? It's 51. It's too hot. It's -10. It's cold. Let me re-execute once again. If it's -11, then it's extreme cold. So in this way we can use if with AND or logical not. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If still you have any doubt, so here I have used AND, so it means both conditions should be true. If I use a OR, that means either this condition should true or this condition should true. If any of the condition is satisfied, then OR block will be executed. Okay, and not is means if this condition is true, then opposite of this will be a not. Okay, so yeah, I hope if else and else if with a multiple statements, then nested if and nested if else with logical and or not is clear to you. If still you have any doubt, then comment me. I will provide more details on that. Thank you. See you in next session.